Hello, you lot. It's Mr. Frame, your favourite ever teacher, and this is a video for lessons 2, 3, and 4 of your volume section. Your learning intention, we're going to be finding the volume of cubes and cuboids. So hopefully you'll remember that to find the volume of a cube or cuboid, we do our length times our width times our height. So I've got the example here. Now the numbers we're going to use are going to get a little bit bigger, so you are going to need to think about the method you use to multiply. So length times width times height, I'll show you all the workings. We've got 6 times 9 times 12. So we start with the easier sum. So 6 times 9 equals 54. Then we use that 54 and multiply it by 12. So I'm going to do long multiplication here. So 54 times 12 gives me 108, 540. Add those together, 648. Okay. And then that's us multiplied every number together, so we have 648 centimeters cubed when the volume is cubed. Moving on from that, we have a problem like this where we have a missing width. So we've got a length, we've got a height, we've got no width, but we can use what we know about shapes, 2D shapes in particular, to help us out with this. Because we know our length is 18 centimeters, our height is 8 centimeters. If we look at the faces here, we can see that's a square. So we know that a square, every side has to be the same. So if two squares make a height of 8 centimeters, then one of them, let's divide it by 2 to give us 4. So height would be 4 centimeters, which means the width would be 4 centimeters. So then we can say for the volume, 18 times 8 times our new width of 4. Let's pick your easier numbers again. 8 times 4 is 32. And then we can do 32 times 18. So again, we do 8 times our 2, 8 times our 3, do our little carrying of our 1 will give us 256. Remember, when we're timesing by a tens number, we put a 0 straight away. Then 1 times 2, 1 times 3. 256, add 320 is 576. So that leaves us with 576 centimeters cubed. All that was different there was we had a missing width and we had to use what we know about shape to work it out. Right, now we're going to move on to our challenge question. Okay, sorry I had to pause the recording there. We're back. So here is your challenge problem. So if you want to have a crack at it, pause the video, give it a go, and you can come back with the answers. If you have had a go and want to then work through it and see how I've done it, you can follow the video now. So if I open up my answers and I'll explain them to you. So mean of this cuboid is in centimeter cubes. We have a height of 4 centimeters, length of 6 centimeters, width of 3 centimeters. Now then it goes on. Stefan makes a cuboid is 5 centimeters longer, 5 centimeters taller, and 5 centimeters wider than a meanest cuboid. What is the difference? Okay, so we know that difference. Think of it means subtraction, so we know we're going to be subtracting somewhere. So first off, let's work out the height of the meanest cuboid. So we've got our height, width, and length. So 4 times 6 times 3 gives us 72 centimeters cubed. Now we keep that one ready to be used later. Now Stefan adds 5 centimeters to every measurement. So height, length, and width. So the new height will be 4 add 5, which is 9. The new length will be 6 add 5, which is 11. And the new width will be 3 add 5, which is 8 centimeters. Okay, so those are our new ones, and we just find the volume of that new one. We can draw it, but it'll take us ages. So really we want 9 times 11 times 8. So I've chosen to do 9 times 8 is 72. And then I did it long multiplication, but you know how to do it by now, so I'm not going to draw it out for you. 72 times 11 is 792. So we've now worked out the volume of Stefan's cuboid and Amina's cuboid. Let's read the question again and check what we had to do at the end. What is the difference between the number of cubes in Amina and Stefan's cuboids? So there are 72 cubes here, 792 cubes here. The difference means take away. So 792 take away 72 leaves us with 720 cubes. So well done if you got that one. This video should help you on lessons 2, 3, and 4, as I said. So keep coming back to it, keep using it. And good luck to you. See you all soon.